Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. SHINee's back. SHINee is back with Atmos. I've been waiting for this ever since I heard that they were gonna have a comeback, and it's finally here. I'm excited, and you know, shout out to all my shows out there. Listen, like I said, I've said this every time. If you don't like SHINee, I can't trust you. All right, y'all. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh my God. What a beginning. Ooh, I got chills. Oh, he's sweating for real. Oh, you left your headphones. Ooh, with the drums? Ooh, I got chills, y'all. The vocals and the instrumental. So. Ooh. Come on, I already have to clap it up. SHINee in the building for real. SHINee they really be in their bag for real. Ooh. That purple hair too. Oh. One second. Sorry, somebody called me. Back to SHINee. Oh, the flowers. Ooh. SHINee just does it right. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. It's aura, bro. Oh, you know it's, bro. Bruh, so good. Even like in a set like this, and they're all killing like their solos for real. Taemin with Coachella, key solos. People need to stop sleeping on that. Especially on Minho's too. Onu. Oh, the animation. Wait. Ooh, the vocals. Oh, he's slaying for real. The fireworks is so beautiful. Ooh, the vocals eating for real. Ooh, the look up. Oh, Atmos. SHINee's 6th mini album. What are you doing? Let's go check out the album. I'm about to. Are you? All right, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of SHINee's Atmos. Am I saying that right? Like I said at the beginning, if you're not into SHINee, I can't trust you. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.